Hi, everyone. My name is John, and I'm a 59-year-old Canadian living in the Philippines. For the past 30 years, running has been a big part of my life, but mostly in Canada. I have always prided myself in my ability to run in all seasons and weather conditions, from the tropical climate of the Philippines to the most frigid cold of northern Canada. This channel is a testament to my age old adage of just suck it up and run, no matter what. The next little segment is simply a sample of what my midlife crisis was like racing motocross. It was a bit of a steep learning curve to try in your 40s, but other than 26 broken bones and multiple surgeries, it was fun. Now I get my adrenaline rush from riding my motorbike around Manila, trying not to be a Kamote rider. Just as a footnote, I have always enjoyed taking scenic photos while out running in the wilderness. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button.